And now some cases on dielectrics. So cases on dielectrics. Number one, if a parallel plates capacitor is partially filled with dielectric of dielectric constant K, then first of all I am just going to draw a capacitor, a parallel plate capacitor will be there simply, and here I want to put a partially filled with dielectric, that is a dielectric having dielectric constant K, and you just suppose its thickness be X. So there is a dielectric. Now this dielectric having dielectric constant K and its thickness B, you just supposed to be X, whereas the total distance between the two parallel plates be D. Accordingly, this one be positively charged, this one be negatively charged. Here is by induction, internal phase that becomes negatively by induction, this one that becomes positively by induction. So I just want to find its capacitance. So now to calculate this one, you just use a technique that you just shift this dielectric either left side or right side totally. Then I am just going to draw another diagram like that. This one is a parallel plate capacitor, the terminal of the capacitor, and then from here I am just going to draw a dielectric and its dielectric constant Bk. Then what happens? The process is same, that this one is your terminal connected with this potential difference using other EMF. So what happens that the electric field lines inside this dielectric be in this direction. You are supposed to be E. Then rest part is just in free space, and inside this free space, because this terminal is just connected to a negative terminal of the cell, so it would be just negatively charged this internal face of this plate. So in this free space, the direction of field lines is also in this direction, and you just supposed to be E naught in this direction. Because this one is a positive terminal, so potential in this terminal be positive, and in this terminal be negative. So there is a potential difference between the plates. Potential difference between the parallel plates be V. So your V will be V positive minus V negative. You know a relation between electric field and potential, that V is equal to ED. You know the thickness of this dielectric, that is X. So how much be the thickness between this free space? So the net distance between the parallel plate be D. So this one is D minus X. So that would be D minus X. And you have to use field lines between here and here. So field lines in this dielectric. So how much be E? Your E will be E naught by K by using previous concept. Therefore, here is E, and in place of D there is X. Thickness of your dielectric be X. So Ex. Because electric field in this dielectric is in the direction from left to right, and in free space it is also in the direction from left to right. So both are in same direction. So there is a positive sign because that will be array. So this E naught and the separation. The separation is, so this one is E naught D minus X is using previous concept E naught by K dielectric constant X plus E naught D minus X. By using this one, what happens in both of the factor, E naught is common, so you just take it outside. So how much be there? X by K plus D minus X. So V is equal to E naught X by K plus D minus X. Using the relation in capacitance, that C is equal to Q by V, and now put the value of V from here, and you have to change this E naught. You know E is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So sigma with the surface charge density, and sigma is equal to Q by A. Sigma with the surface charge density, from here you can put there that this one is positive and this one is negative. So from here you can put the value that give directly, that sigma by epsilon naught X by K plus D minus X, and now put the value of sigma. So there is Q divided by, because epsilon naught is in denominator of denominator, so that comes in numerator. So I am just going to put here and replace this sigma by Q by A, and then there is X by K plus D minus X. So what happens from here? From here you see that Q will be cancelled, and A is again in denominator of denominator. So there is epsilon of A, and divided by D minus X. I am just going to write in arrange order. So there is D minus X plus X by K. So this one is the resultant when parallel plate capacitor is partially filled by a dielectric constant K. So that will be the, and then case 2. So case 2 is if a parallel plate capacitor is fully filled with dielectric of dielectric constant K, and you just supposed to be, this one is your equation 1. So what you have to do, you have to fully fill this capacitor using dielectric. So very simple, you just remove this length from here, and this length we go ahead, and now it is fully packed with this dielectric. So the thickness of the dielectric is the separation of the parallel plate, that is D. So how you will tackle this one? Just use equation 1. So from here, now using equation 1, and your equation 1 is C is equal to epsilon naught A divided by D minus X. So D minus, this X is replaced by D. Why? Because the thickness of dielectric is D. So X is replaced by D. So this one is also D plus X by K, that is D by K, because we just written here, because X is equal to D. Use this concept. So accordingly, your D and D will be cancelled, and what happens, that your C is equal to epsilon naught A, and see here, denominator of denominator K, that comes on numerator. So K epsilon naught A by D, and this one is your result. Say equation 2. Using this equation, you see this equation we have used in previous concept where we are using dielectric, and there I told you that whenever we will put a dielectric in fully in between the parallel plate capacitor, then what happens? That would be simply the capacitance will be changed, and that would be K times epsilon naught A by D, because whenever your capacitor is fully empty between the plates, there is no any dielectric, that there is either vacuum or air, so that will be only epsilon naught A by D. So this one is just like C dash. You see, this one is just like C dash. Previously we have used this one. So if you supposed to be that this one is C dash, because K will be there, so you can write out like that, that C dash is equal to K times C. So one thing here you have to mention, that because C is equal to epsilon naught A by D for air, you have to use this one for this factor. For this one you need to use that C is equal to epsilon A by D for air. That's why that would be C test Kc. Otherwise, using this equation, we have capacitance. When your parallel plate capacitor is fully filled by dielectric of dielectric constant K be there, you can see here. So that would be K epsilon K by D. That is just multiplied by K.